Asia-Pacific calendar will be fairly quiet in the week ahead while trading desks grow more thinly staffed. This as holiday festivities get underway and the new year approaches. However, despite the wind down, investors will still receive a healthy slate of economic updates, including South Korean and Japanese consumer confidence, as well as Chinese manufacturing. Week kicks off Monday with a gauge of Singapore's inflation rate for November after consumer prices in the previous month were dragged down by a steep fall in housing and utilities. Also Monday, Taiwan will release fresh figures for both industrial production and retail sales for November. And if not already marked on your calendars, note that the Tokyo Stock Exchange will close its doors for 2 days starting December 23rd in honor of its emperor's birthday. Market will also turn quiet on Tuesday, as several exchanges will be closed in celebration of the Christmas Day holiday and are set to remain subdued, with many countries observing Boxing Day on Wednesday. Meanwhile, market participants tuning into economic developments will be watching for midweek reports on Singapore's industrial production for November, as well as Taiwan's and South Korea's consumer confidence numbers. Consumer sentiment in South Korea had fallen to a low in November, not seen since February 2017. This amid a bearish stock market, as U.S.-China trade tensions generally continue to spur labor market challenges in the country, among other economic damage. Elsewhere, data out of Japan is set to roll out Thursday, including updates on housing starts, unemployment, industrial production, and retail sales, while South Korea will also release a report on business confidence for December. Then on Sunday, investors will get South Korea's Consumer Price Index, as well as China's manufacturing PMI from the country's National Bureau of Statistics. China's manufacturing PMI surprised to the downside in November from the prior month, as the sector has recently signaled broad deterioration in the nation's economy. Rearview Macro recently pointed out that People's Bank of China Governor Yi Gang admitted at a speech earlier in December that the country's economy is facing increasing downward pressure. Rearview also noted that China's economy is ending the year on a weak note, and there is more deceleration to come in the first half of 2019. In the meantime, select the event calendar option in the IBKR Trader workstation for a full list of U.S. and global corporate events and earnings, dividend schedules, economic data, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine for Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy the week ahead.